Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Their website link will be down below. And if you have an Amazon account, their link to Amazon will be also in the description. So all you guys gotta do is click the link down below and check it out. Come from my good friends over at KOSPET. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is their smartwatch Tank T4, military grade stainless steel. This thing is amazing, guys. Really comfortable around the wrist. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. There's that. And there's the good stuff. IONX 360 shield structure. Craftsy stainless steel. And this has offline map and 6G NSS. Advanced dual frequency GNS chip. And on offline map that lead your way anywhere. So, say if you're in different countries that have bad internet and you need a map, all you gotta do is hook up to the computer through the app and it'll download it. It's really easy. I'll show you in the app all the good stuff. This has 3 diving modes: scuba, free dive, gauge modes, 45M AD rate, 10 ATM, IP69K, water resistance, 180 plus sports, 23 apex motion sport modes, 160 freestyle training modes, captures every moment. Now here is the watch. Bada boom. I'll take it off for you guys. It's super comfortable. I'm not a watch person, but I think I'm going to start wearing this more often because it has a lot of good stuff that I'm going to need. So there we go. Look at this. There's buttons, super soft. And you got different modes you could choose from. Flashlight mode. It's pretty bright too. And then click. And move up. It has all these features. The weather. You could do text messages, calls, all that good stuff. Music you can have link up during your exercises. But look how beautiful this design is. So there's my heart rate. And you can sleep with it. Have your deep sleep and all those different modes. Training day, you can set up your training plan on this or on the app. And close. And there's different features. You could customize your shortcuts, so you can add your favorite apps to it. Training day. And this, you could change the style. This is like the honeycomb layout. See the music, GPS, I think. Oh, compass. Oh, wow. I didn't even know that. So yeah, you could do a lot of this. Is like the James Bond of all watches. Just slide it up, slide it left. Notifications, that's where your text messages and stuff. Here we go. Settings. You can change watt, day and time, brightness, vibration. And on the app you can find your phone or your watch. They got a locator for it, different themes. I'll show you right now. Here's the app available. Apex Move it's called. Click on that. And up here has the weather. 61 degrees Fahrenheit. Right there shows my steps, my calories. Not sure what that means. Easy to set up. All you gotta do is click that button right there. You can scan for connection, Bluetooth, either or. And right here, don't mind that watermark. That's for my phone. That's where your heart rate is. Click on that. You could do it daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So this would be good for trainers. You could show your trainer, your partner, your doctor They are recommending these for older folks more so now. And it shows your blood oxygen levels for the day, for the week. Pretty good, I think. And then stress, I am normal. That is a good thing. Not that stressed out yet. And then my mood is peaceful, which is always a good thing. And all you gotta do is just click on monthly, choose a date, and it'll select it for you. And like I say, you could start your plans, your workout plans, your routines. Workout, see? There's so many options in this thing. It's nuts. And here's a GPS. You can search. Whoa. It's like 3D view. You can see my house right there. That's my house. I hate my backyard. It's so big. But yeah, really cool. I'm gonna get lost. It shows your latitude and longitude, workout routine, and here's my settings. You can change the face of the phone or the watch. So there's different ones to choose from. This one might be cool. Let me back out. There we go. And all you gotta do is hit apply. As you can see. They got achievements you could do for certain things, like how many steps you take. They give you an achievement award. So, really cool. This is a brand new model, which is out now. Since the video's out. There it goes. Boom, boom, boom. And that's that one right there. So really impressive. So many features to choose from. Depends on what type of mood you're in. You can always switch it up. In your weekly activity report, since it's only my second day with the phone or with the watch, there's nothing going to be shown there. And right here you can change the display settings. The screen timeout, automatic, 300 seconds I set it for. And sport recognition, outdoor walking, elliptical, rolling machine, outdoor running, bicycling, more features. There's your alarm clock, your text message reply fast, morning brief, contacts, your phone numbers, all that, emergency contacts, music. So world clock, where was it? Offline map right here. You select that, and it's going to tell you, copy the link below, open on the desktop. Please open the copy link in a desktop browser. Once you logged in, you can download the maps to your computer and transfer it to your watch. So that's how easy peasy it is. I'm not going to do it because I'm not going to be traveling that much. And it shows that we are valid with my GPS settings. You can find the device right here. Cancel. So that's really cool. Events allow, normal birthdays and whatnot, anniversaries, factory update, data, all that good stuff. So route locations, you can always have that recorded. I think I showed everything in this screen awake. I use it to rise up my hand, or you could double tap to wake it up, and always on during workout. So it's up to you, whatever you choose from. And notification reminders you can have set. So, this thing is simply amazing. Christmas is around the corner, guys. Switch the device, customize the look. You can change magnetic, steel. I got the black and that. So there you go. It changes up top. But there are accessories to get. I'll show you guys one of them right now. And this is going to be the Power Pocket 4 T4. Take this little sucker on the road with you. In case you leave this one at home. This one comes with it. And also a screen protector for your phone or for your watch. So here's another one. You could travel with this. Take this on the road. Charge other devices. You got the non-slip guards. Super lightweight. They got a lanyard. You could just hook up to your wrist or wherever, your neck, your purse. So we got that there. And of course, we got extra KOSPET wristbands you can choose. Different styles they have. They gave me these separate for free to do a review. So I'll take that out of the box in a second. Here's the other one. But hopefully it's easy to replace them. Which I like the wristband they have now. So I'm not going to switch it, you know. But if you want to switch it, you can. It's up to you. But we'll make this video a little bit longer today because it's a good one. And definitely a really good product coming from KOSPET. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. You'll be very happy with this one. They got good deals going on now, so definitely take advantage of the sales. And here is this style of a wristband they could choose from. Take that out. So here's the stock one. Well, like I said, both are really comfortable. And you got the side watches. This is what it looks like, the buttons. And this is where you take your heart rate and all that stuff. Really cool. And this is where you charge it right there. Tide Forge. And this side, whoa. Flashing. Rugged design. But yeah, like I said, super lightweight. I think it's time for my blood pressure or whatever heart rate test. It started to vibrate, so. But yeah, definitely if you're in the market, like I said, check them out, KOSPET. Both links will be down below. Whatever you choose from, it's fine with me. And here we go. Boom. See how fast that was? So, like I said, grab yourself one, grab a family member one, or your partner one. They'll be very happy. And that means you care about their health. Gotta stay healthy. And there's a date, time, and everything. So, really cool. Alright, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.